What's going on, Patreon? I know I haven't been putting YouTube videos out and I haven't been doing much lately, but that is for one really good reason. That is because, look at this. This is the new house. So there's still a lot of work to go. Most of my shop and everything's all packed up right now, but this is going to be the shop here. I have a lot of digging to do here, but this is a 40 by 60 foot steel shop here. Okay, and then our house is going to be over here, and yeah, it's going to work out good. But this is why I haven't been putting out a whole bunch of work videos and everything. It's because I haven't been having a lot going on. I do have a few coming out in the next couple weeks. Keep an eye out for those. But for the most part, it's going to be minor stuff until this is done. So thanks for supporting me. And hopefully you guys like this whole setup. If you want me to do the way I set up the shop, you want me to do videos on the shop, let me know. Till next time, wrench on.